So today I'll be showing you how to hard reset your OnePlus 15. Now the main reason you're hard resetting your OnePlus 15 is probably because you're locked out of your phone because you've forgotten your password, PIN or pattern and you can't gain access into your phone. Okay, so that's the only reason why you need to hard reset, because if you did have your password and you wanted to reset your phone, you could just go to the settings and reset your phone. So for a hard reset, here's what you're gonna do. So go ahead and go to the power menu, and you can do that by pressing the side and volume up buttons simultaneously. So side and volume up, you'll see the power menu. You want to go ahead and select restart option. So slide up and restart. As soon as that font goes dark, you want to press and hold the volume button and just keep holding that volume down button. So basically the phone is going to restart and find you holding the volume down button, and just continue holding it. Just keep holding that volume down button, and that's going to take you to this menu where you can choose language. Fortunately, you can use the touchscreen, so select English, and now we are inside recovery mode. So just go ahead and tap on format data. It's going to ask you to verify. Please enter the verification code and enter the code you're given there. So for me, that's 7526. It should be different depending on what phone you have. And then confirm you want to format. And that's going to start the formatting of your phone. Once the data is formatted, tap OK, and the phone should now restart, and it should start setting up your phone afresh. So once it restarts, let's go ahead and set it up afresh. Choose your language, hit next, choose your region, next, the user agreement as usual. You have next, just quickly set up your phone. Now at this point, you want to avoid setting up using another device, because that's going to require your password or maybe the password on the other device. So you want to go to skip, connect your Wi-Fi network, and once you've connected to Wi-Fi, tap on next. Now it's getting our phone ready. And then again, you might be asked to copy apps and data. Just select don't copy. Now it's going to ask for the password. Remember that password we forgot? It's going to ask for it. So of course we do not know the password. And then when you cancel at the top there, it's going to ask for your Google account. Okay, so just go ahead and sign in with the Google account that was there on the phone before the hard reset. And that's the only time this little padlock icon is going to disappear, because you'll have unlocked your phone. So let's go ahead and sign in. Once you enter the username and password, just go ahead and click on sign in. And once you're signed in, now you'll have the option to skip, because you've already successfully unlocked your phone and proven that you're the owner of that phone. So now you can skip and just continue with the setup process, and you've now regained access back into your phone. So basically just go ahead and finish the setup process. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.